Namaste everyone, welcome to my channel. And today we are going to perform or going to install the MongoDB Community Edition on Mac OS. So we are going to install the 7 version of it, that is 7.0. That is the current MongoDB version going on. So if you want to install the older versions, you can go with these drop downs that will give you all whole steps that are going we have to perform for the installation process. But today we are going to install MongoDB 7.0, so you have to come to this page, that is the documentation given by the MongoDB itself, and we will be performing all the steps one by one. So let's get started. So before this, once if you want to install the MongoDB on the Mac OS, you have to install the homebrew in it. If you don't know how to install the homebrew, you can just comment it down. I'll let you know the steps of it. So once you have installed the homebrew, we will be going down there and performing these steps one by one. As you can see, these commands are the brew commands, so that is why we want to install the homebrew on your Mac OS. So now let's see and how we are going to install it. So this is the first command that we have to copy. So if you are installing the MongoDB first time on your Mac OS, this command can take up to 10 to 15 minutes, because once at first when I was installing the MongoDB, it took like 15-20 minutes for me, but second time it will not take much time. So let's enter it and see, it will take only like few seconds, but once at first when you will write down this command, when you will enter this command, it will take 15-20 minutes. You have to wait for so long. Okay, so next we have to come with this next command. This is brew update, and it will not take much, I think, much time. Yes, it is not taking much time. I will show you here as well. So if you see here, if you are running the this command like first time, it will, you can see these type of things on your terminal, and it will take much amount of time. You have to wait for it, and this is a brew update, and then you have to wait like another 4-5 minutes. It will also take some time, and here it will get updated. So this is the, if you are going to run it once, or you have run it only, like you're going to run it at first time only, so it will be printing the output like this. But if you are doing it on second or third, or like every time you are doing it, it will not take much time, and it's going to do it like this. Next is, this is the third step that we have to do. This will install the MongoDB Community Edition of 7.0, and it is downloading. I think it will not take much time. So now it's done. So it only took like a minute to download the MongoDB. Next, our installation is done. Now we have to see if it is working or not. For this, firstly, if you want to check where it has been installed, you can use this command to see what is the installation directory for this. So here it is, opt homebrew, and then we have to start the MongoDB survey so that we can use the MongoDB. So this is the command, and let's start it and see if it has been started successfully or not. If you want to see, just type mongo sh. So it will take you to the Mongo terminal, and there you can use any command of it, and let's go. Wow, it's now done. So our installation has been done. Now that means we have done the installation part, and now you can use the MongoDB on your local Mac OS system. And these are the processes, these are the steps that you have to do. If you want to stop the MongoDB, you can use this command, and if you want to change any other configuration part, you can go and change the configuration from this file. And that's it. This is what we have to do for the installation. I think we are done with the installation part. If you want another thing to be, if you are facing any issue and you want to learn anything else, you can comment it down. Let me know. I'm back, and I'll be giving much more knowledge about other things that I have learned these days. Thank you, and have a nice day.